Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Little Croc on all my social media platforms. If you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in again. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to tie your head, how to do the head wrap. Let's get started guys. So this is a stretching material, so I'm going to be doing the head wrap with you guys. So here is the material that I'm going to use. I'm gonna use these two material. It's stretching guys, it's stretching. So let's get on to my first style. Okay, they are all the same length, they both the same length.
All night, say it. All night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
All night, say it. All night, all night, say it. All night.
Hello, stranger. Things been waiting. Just as I recall it.
Got the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had to miss you go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I see you. scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I find myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're sure the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stay here and sleep. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know around you. I see you, boy. You're always
So guys, this is my last style. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. Just comment down below if you'd like me to do more videos, but surely I will definitely bring more videos on how to wrap your head. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys on my next video.